Hi, this is Maggie from Crafts the Charm. Welcome to a 2-minute technique. Today's technique is gluing difficult to bond plastics, such as plastic milk bottles. To do this, you'll want the plastics that you want to bond and Loctite plastics bonding system. You will also want gloves and possibly a respirator and eye protection because this product does have a smell. To start, prepare your plastic surfaces. What I have here is a couple of pieces of plastic milk bottle, and I sanded them and then wiped off the dust, but I don't know if this is entirely necessary. The Loctite bonding system has two components, the activator and the glue. When you first use this system, you will use the cap to pierce the top of the glue. When you're ready to bond your surfaces, apply the activator, which applies sort of like a marker to both of the surfaces. Then you're going to wait 60 seconds. Once the activator has dried after 60 seconds, apply the glue to one surface and then press or clamp the surfaces together for 30 seconds. Once you've done that, you'll have your bond. I tried 5 different kinds of glue to glue plastic milk bottles together, and none of them worked until I tried the Loctite plastics bonding system. I hope that you find this tip useful for whatever your glue bonding project is. Happy crafting!